How's it going, everyone? Just got a video here of the companion high output 2-burner stove. Just bought a caravan and I wanted to cook outside, and because it's going to be sort of something that's happening a lot, I wanted to get a decent stove. So one of the things I was looking at was this companion one, which is actually formerly known as the Primus high output stove. Got this one from snowies.com.au. Don't really find it mentioned anywhere else, but they got a lot of great reviews on there for being able to simmer really well, which is one thing I was looking for. And the other thing, and I think this may add to its simmering ability, is it's got a regulator on it. So it's a proprietary hose, which is a little bit of a downside that you need a special hose, but it comes with this regulator on the gas bottle. And I think that helps it not blast out the heat like some of those cheaper ones can do, where you turn the knob half a centimetre and it's pretty much on or off and there's no simmering ability. It comes in a box like that, and I'll flash up some specs on it as to gas consumption and whatnot. But what I thought I'd do is just show you the range that it's got for simmering. It's definitely got a really good range on the knob. I haven't tried it for actually simmering food just yet because I haven't been out anywhere. Plus this one's quite wide, so I'm pretty sure I tried it with a 26 centimetre pan and a 32 centimetres is just a little bit too big. I think a 30 centimetre or a 28 centimetre pan would be where it's at. But definitely it's bigger than most of the smaller, cheaper ones that you see at Bunnings or BCF there. So I was just going to fire it up. Now, I know you probably can't see that, but I'll get it down to its lowest point. Okay, that's pretty low. Goes lower than that even. Now I'll try and show you the knob here. To me, that's around 40 degrees of turn of the knob to get from where to go sort of thing. The other ones I've seen usually about 10 degrees between high output and low output. So to me that's awesome. That's really good control for a camping stove. The other thing I really like is the burner design. It's not like the head that's just got holes in it and it just comes out. It's sort of like a sideways deflector design, so it should disperse the heat quite evenly. And if you've looked at any of the camping reviews for like camp stoves, there's a few that seem to come up. The Coleman Triton comes up a lot, and also the Camp Chef Everest, which is one that's really hard to get in Australia, and it costs a fortune on eBay, like $300-400. The design of this one's actually pretty much exactly the same. It isn't exactly the same, but it's very similar. The burners are pretty much the same. The metal is stamped out a bit differently, and it's got the regulator like the Camp Chef Everest. Also at BCF there's the Wanderer one that looks similar, has similar design burners but doesn't have the regulator on it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a boil test. Now for me a boil test isn't that important, but I know for some guys it is. So I'm just going to chuck, that's 1 litre of water on there. Turn that off. This one hasn't been fired up at all, and we'll turn it on and see how long it goes for. Okay, so depending on where your definition of a boil is, but that was pretty much about 3 minutes. I'll flash the actual time up on the screen, but from what I was watching, that was about 3 minutes. Plenty good to me. It says they're 25,000 BTUs per burner, which is off the charts, but I'm not going for a huge amount of heat. I really wanted simmerability, if that's the word for it. I wanted a good control over the flame, and I believe that this one gives it to you. So it's $149, I believe it is, from Snowies, and I think it was free shipping as well, which was really good. Comes with the hose, no case unfortunately, but they recommend a 3-burner Austrail canvas carry case if you want to go down that route. And I've just got that off of a little 1.25 kilo bottle there. So far pretty happy with this. I might do an update when I take it out camping and cook some food on it, but I think it should be good. Thanks guys, take it easy, bye.